Baking soda is scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate. Therefore, one also calls it the bicarbonate of soda. It is primarily a baking ingredient and provides its fluffiness to bread, cakes, muffins and cookies. Combining it with an acid like vinegar or lemon juice improves the efficacy of baking soda by leaving a better aftertaste. There are numerous benefits with innumerable facts that you need to know about baking soda.
Baking soda has very high amounts of antacids and is an excellent alkalizer. The pain usually worsens after eating, when you lie down or bend over during the evenings. Baking soda provides temporary and occasional relief from acid reflux. It has an alkaline pH that helps neutralize the acidity in your stomach.
Ideally for hair brushes, this technique will keep your hair healthy and clean with each brush. Before starting, remove as much hair as you can from the comb or hairbrush. With water and baking soda, you can remove all oil and product that has built up. Thanks to the baking soda, the gritty texture will remove the buildup and leave the tool clean for its next use.
Kidney disease occurs when your kidneys are damaged and cannot perform blood filtration. You may use baking soda as a supplement for some chronic kidney conditions and metabolic acidosis.
Improvement in exercise performance strengthens the heart, improves blood circulation, tones muscles and enhances flexibility. Its effectiveness can be related to high-intensity sports and activities. It makes endurance higher by decreasing the acidity in working muscles. Soda can help achieve optimal pH balance by reducing excess acid during exercising.
Often there is a foul smell near garbage bins, socks, carpets, or even in the fridge. This smell resembles a residue of a robust acidic odor, like sour milk or fish. It can be used as a personal deodorant for underarms and feet and as a household deodorant in carpets. It also removes odor in the fridge and freezer.
It whitens and disinfects many bathroom surfaces like tiles, sinks, showers, and bathtubs. Baking soda is also a great cleaning agent because it easily dissolves dirt and grease in water.
It is important to note that cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment. It can be an able supplement product during the treatment procedure. Drink a tablespoon of baking soda in a glass of water as a DIY method to improve pH balance in the body, which could prevent several illnesses. If the taste is unbearable, add half a teaspoon and drink it twice. Add some lemon or honey to enhance the flavor.
Baking soda also has cosmetic properties, including mild exfoliation, cleansing and skin lightening. Baking soda has immense bleaching properties. It helps in fading away marks and spots on the skin. Combine it with water, lemon juice and turmeric to remove acne scars and melasma.
A cheap box of baking soda can clean your entire home. It is highly versatile and is a mild abrasive. It dissolves dirt, tackles odors, and cuts through grime found in the kitchen. Make a paste by mixing baking soda with an equal amount of lemon juice and a bit of water to clean your kitchen. It is handy as a scouring agent and a deodorizer.
Baking soda works wonders when soaked in water with fruits or vegetables. It removes a high amount of pesticides. In addition, sodium bicarbonate can remove other chemical residues and pesticides from the skin of fruits and vegetables.
This is known to restore pH balance and reduce inflammation. Therefore, baking soda plays a role in resulting in soothing the canker sores. For canker sore relief, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in half cup of water. Gargle this solution for 15 to 30 seconds, then spit it out.
A tumor occurs when uncontrolled growth occurs in a solid tissue such as an organ, muscle, or bone. Tumors may thrive in an acidic body environment. Hence, reducing acidity in your body can prevent tumors from growing and spreading.
Baking soda helps to neutralize the skin's pH balance. It also fights infection caused due to bug bites. Apply baking soda paste to the bitten area several times a day to find relief on big bug bites. Mix baking soda with some water to make the paste until you get the right consistency.
Baking soda has antifungal properties. It soaks up moisture that may cause toenail fungus. To treat nail infections, apply a baking soda paste and water directly to the affected nail and let it sit for at least 10 minutes before rinsing. Repeat this several times a day until the fungus clears.
Baking soda is a leavening agent and has immense use in baking. It works well with liquid and acidic ingredients and gives the body baked and fried goodies. Because it reacts with the acid, it produces carbon dioxide that gives rise to bubbles. This chemical process helps make cakes, cookies, and other baked goods fluffy.
It is essential for preventing diseases and disorders related to the mouth. Baking soda has natural whitening properties. It provides an alkaline environment in your mouth. This quality further prevents the growth of bacteria from avoiding tooth decay and retaining your gums in shape.
According to research, baking soda to polish silverware uses electrolytic action instead of chemical polish abrasion. As a result, baking soda effectively removes the tarnish from oxidized silver without damaging the metal. You can simply use baking soda to make your silverware shine just like the day you brought them. First, add baking soda to an aluminum baking pan and slowly pour vinegar. Next, add some boiling water and place the silver in the pan. We hope this video is very helpful to all of you. Thanks for watching.